Is your trusty robot vacuum starting to lose its sparkle? That once pristine cleaning machine might be silently struggling, and the culprit could be something you rarely think about. We're diving into the LDGSUPH when your replacement part, a crucial accessory for your 360S8 robot vacuum cleaner, designed to bring back that like-new performance. You know that feeling when your robot vacuum just isn't picking up like it used to? Or worse, it's leaving streaks and not quite getting rid of those stubborn stains. A worn-out water tank or a clogged dust box can seriously sabotage its efforts. This replacement part, compatible with the 360S8, aims to restore that original cleaning effect, ensuring every pass is as thorough and effective as the first. It's about maintaining that pristine finish on your floors and avoiding any unsightly residue that can affect vacuuming efficiency. But it's not just about immediate cleaning power. Let's be honest, a robot vacuum that starts to smell isn't exactly a joy to have around. Stagnant water or old, compacted dust can lead to some pretty unpleasant odors and even foster bacterial growth. This replacement helps keep the tank hygienic, significantly reducing the possibility of those unwanted smells before they even start. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in the overall freshness of your home. And here's a big one: machine longevity. Limescale buildup in water tanks is a silent killer for many appliances. Over time, it can damage internal components, leading to costly repairs or even a completely dead machine. Swapping out this part can genuinely extend the life of your 360S8, preventing that limescale from wreaking havoc and reducing the chances of unexpected breakdowns. It's a smart investment in the lifespan of your expensive gadget. Finally, think about the user experience. Nothing's more frustrating than your robot vacuum getting stuck, operating erratically, or just not moving as smoothly as it should. A clean, properly functioning water tank and dust box means smoother operation, fewer jams, and less time spent babysitting your cleaner. It just glides around, doing its job as it should, improving your overall interaction with the device. This versatile part functions as either a water storage tank or a dust box, and crucially, it includes a high-quality HEPA filter. That HEPA filter is absolutely key for trapping tiny allergens and dust particles, ensuring the air in your home stays cleaner too. Ultimately, this LDGSUPH replacement part isn't just a simple accessory. It's an essential upgrade for maintaining peak performance, hygiene, and longevity for your 360S8. If your robot vacuum is showing any signs of wear or diminished performance, this could be the most impactful, yet simple, solution to get it back to its amazing best.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.